Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make the sweet potato chaat. So let's do it. Let's prepare the very easiest tamarind chutney. Place a kadai on the stove. I have taken the tamarind pulp here. I'm going to add this in the kadai. Add the jaggery, then chili powder, salt. Now give it a nice mix and let it get cooked nicely. It is almost 5 minutes now. The tamarind paste has cooked nicely. The raw smell has gone. So this is the right consistency which I wanted. Let's switch off the stove. We need pudina chutney also. So for that I have taken pudina here. So I'm going to add everything to the mixer. Add the pudina, green chilli, ginger and around 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm going to make it into a nice paste. I have made it into a nice paste like this. Now I'm going to add a few pinch of salt. It is according to your taste. And then around 1 tablespoon of thick curd. Now I'm going to give it a quick blend. The pudina chutney or the green chutney is ready now. Here I have the steamed sweet potatoes. I have peeled and chopped them into cubes. Place a pan on the stove. Add around 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add the sweet potatoes to the pan. Now add the Kashmiri red chilli powder and some salt to it. Now gently toss the sweet potatoes. Let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the raw smell of the chili powder goes off. We do not want them to be deep fried. This is one of the healthiest snack recipe as the sweet potato has locked in so many nutrients and it has very nice health benefits too. So you can try to make these and give it to your kids. They will really enjoy it. After 4 minutes, they are nicely cooked and the raw smell has gone now. Let's switch off the flame. We have everything ready here. I have some chopped tomatoes, onion, coriander leaves and some save, the tamarind chutney, pudina chutney, some chaat masala and some chopped dates. If you don't want dates, you can use the pomegranate seeds also. So let's start making this. First I am going to add the sweet potatoes. Then add some onions. There is no rules to add onion or tomatoes. It completely depends on you. Add the tomatoes. Add the dates. Add the save to it. Just sprinkle it all over. Sprinkle some chaat masala over it. Now add a dash of tamarind chutney. Then add the pudina chutney. Add some coriander leaves on top of it. And that's it. The sweet potato chaat is ready. A very healthy and delicious sweet potato chaat is ready. Please do try this recipe at your home. Share your comments with me. Please do subscribe to my channel for more new recipes. Let's spread the love for food.